watching True Tarot. Today we are going to see for Cancers what are coming for my Cancerians for the month of October. Guys, these readings are just general, so they may or may not resonate to each and every one. Hence, whatever resonates to you, just take it and leave the rest. Okay, Cancerians? So let's see what message is there for you. Your first card is Emperor. Okay, guys, along with the Ace of Cups. Very good. Somebody is there at a fatherly figure, you can see, at an authority. Somebody is there who's going to make some decision for you that will be in your favor. The Emperor is offering you the Ace of Cups. Ace of Cups is again a wonderful energy. You can see how the hand is coming from the cloud, how the universe is giving you. The dove is putting a coin in it. You can see it's flowing everywhere. So it could be any proposal, any opportunity at the emotional level, at the love front, also the emotionally, and you would say it's like flowing from every side, every aspect of your life. So it's going to be fulfilled, like everything is full. Okay, so whatever it is coming towards you, it's going to make you more content, make you more happy about it. So this Emperor is bringing good energy, maybe the Aries energy, you can say. Okay, good start, Cancerians. It could be anyone. It could be a boss. It could be the father figure, any elderly figure, teacher, somewhere, like you're going to get some news from this person, some decision he's going to make it, or whatever he's doing, something he's making some decision because of what your cups are going to be filled up. Okay, oops, the second card is Devil, guys, and the Tower together. All the major arcanas here. Guys, I would say whatever this is coming towards you, this cup, what I was telling you, don't get very much overwhelmed by it or overexcited by getting this opportunity, by getting this favor, what you're going to get from this Emperor, because it might, like, it will chain you for this thing, or maybe you'll have a habit of getting more from this person, whoever this person is, the father, the teacher, the boss, or whatever it is. So don't make it a habit, or don't just keep it in a mind. See, the Devil card says it could be anything, any toxic energy, anything that building a toxicity for particular habit or particular thing. You can see how the chain is there. It is just chaining you, it's just chained you. It's like kind of trapping you in its energy. So just don't get trapped in this energy. Whatever this is it, by the following cards I'll come to know, but here with the Emperor, what I've got, the Ace of Cups was there. So you're going to get something that is very much good, happiness, fulfilled, contentment. So don't make this thing as a habit that you're going to get it from this person. This toxicity might make you more reliable on the person, or you won't be more independent right now if you are like independent. So just don't be dependent on these kinds of things, from the favors and everything. The Devil has come along with the Tower, both the major arcanas. Here I would say the Tower says about the thunderbolt kind of a thing. You can see how the lightning is getting struck to the crown chakra. The Devil energy, as I was telling you, it's kind of some kind of a toxicity, a bad habit or something like this thing. So it's going to hit your crown chakra. Maybe with this abundance that is coming towards you with the Ace of Cups or what, it might like hit you to the crown chakra or something. So I would say just balance it. Balance whatever it is. Try to balance it. Nothing up, nothing down. Try to find the mid path towards it. Okay, guys, the Tower moment, whatever the things that are based on the shady foundation, they are going to come down. They are going to be, with this lightning, with this thunderbolt, whatever it is been coming, it's going to shake the world apart. And if you get this toxicity in your head, so it's going to create this Tower moment later. So my advice would be, just don't get into the habit of the toxicity what I was talking about. try to balance things out. Okay guys, the Emperor and the Devil both, I would say, whatever this thing is coming towards you, just think before accepting it. It might have something attached to it. Don't just blindly accept it, whatever it is, what this person is having in his mind, whatever this offer, this Ace of Cups is coming towards you. It might be not what it's look like. See, sometimes what it happen, even salt look like sugar, right? So whatever it is, just be prepared before accepting anything. It could attach some toxicity to it. Okay guys, so your third card is Ace of Wands. Here it will say the opportunities are there, the passion is there. Again, I would see the passion, it is there, the passion to grow. It is there with the strength thing. You have so much strength inside you to tame the lion. You can see how this lady is taming a lion, the beast within. So if you are having that quality inside you, that strength inside you to tame the beast within, so definitely you are going to tame the devil, the beast that is inside you, that is within you, the toxicity, whatever it is. So here the concluding, as I've told you, the following cards I would see. So I think you don't have to worry for this thing. You very well and very nicely can deal with this situation. Just have the strength to tame this habit or the beast that is within. And with Ace of Wands, definitely you can do it. You have it in you. You definitely have it in you. Just don't get carried away with all the things that is coming towards you. Take it very smartly, very diplomatically. Don't get it into your head for it. Okay? So Cancers, you're wonderful. Two of Cups along with the World. Guys, here I would say the Two of Cups says about the two things. The two parties, the two cups, partnership, you can see. Some partnership is there. If it is a love energy, some person, if you're looking for some person, that person is coming towards you. So, like, in both the ends, whether it is the working front, the partnership, or if you're looking for someone, that person is coming towards you or you are going to go to that person. The thing is, the merger, the partnership is about to happen, because this card says about that only. With the presence of the World card, definitely I would say that you are entering into the next phase of your life. You can see how this circle is there. So the cycles are ending, the one cycle is ending and the another is beginning. You can see how the lady is coming from the first phase, the last phase, to the new one. So you are entering into the new phase. You're looking behind also to all the things that you have learned. This could be the new phase if it's any love or something, it is there, you are starting your life ahead, some marriage or partnership or whatever it is. So it shows me this thing, that some kind of partnership merger you can look. And with the World card, definitely the cycles, one cycles are ending and the another are beginning. Okay guys, your last card is, oh wonderful, the Strength. Guys, I would say definitely you're going to need the strength. So try to collect all the strength inside you. Take a break. Meditate. Take all the strength that it is there inside you. Learn how to tame the beast that is within. Learn how to deal with all the aspects of your life. With the Page of Cups, I would say some childlike energy or the knave energy maybe around you, or maybe it's going to come around you, or it could be inside you. So you need to understand the innocence of it also, and don't let this innocence be crushed by something else or what. So the thing is, try to make yourself more strong. Your inner child, you need to make it more strong. Okay guys, we'll see just what the message is coming here. The message is ride the wave. Okay guys, so you need to ride the wave. This card says, so this card, the ride the wave. This card says that you can ride this wave out. You can come out of this difficulty. The only thing is you need to make the effort to do it. You need to do the effort. Whatever the surfing skills you are having, whatever the skills you are having, you need to use that to jump over it. You can easily ride the wave, but with all the efforts, with the strength, as I have told you, the same thing it says about that whatever this thing is coming towards you, it will go. You can ride the wave easily. The only thing is you'll have to put all the efforts into it, all the skills that you're having to ride it out, and the time will go. Whatever the difficulty is there, you're going to, like how the dolphins are jumping over the tide, so this tide will go. Okay, so this is it for now. I hope you like my reading. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.